Howdy guys, it's Dallas from Hamilton Motor Company, and I'm holding your new 2010 to 2024 Toyota 4Runner Smoky taillight upgrade kit. This kit comes with both taillights and everything you can need to install them. Don't worry, it's SAE and DOT compliant, so you're safe to go on the roads. Look at this thing. Look at the pattern of the taillight. Look at the detail in these reflectors, and just look at the quality of the lenses as a whole. Our manufacturers get their parts from the exact same place that many OEM manufacturers do. Because of this, we can afford to give you a 5-year warranty and the Hamilton guarantee, which is tech support from start to finish. Let me show you how to put it in. Before doing anything, we disconnected the negative battery cable to make sure power is off to the vehicle. Next, we move over to this panel and pop this panel off. To do this, you can use a pry tool or even a credit card. Pop it off and just wiggle it out. Next, you're going to press the clip to release the wire harness. You want to pinch in this little clip and remove the wiring harness. Next, you'll need a 10mm socket with an extension. In this case, we use a ratchet. You're going to loosen the top and the bottom bolts. When you got it loose, you can just take it out with your finger. After you're done with the bottom one, we'll go to the top. Again, once it's loose, just finish it with your finger. When those steps are done, you just pop the old one right on out. Let's talk about these wires real quick, which is a cool new upgrade in your taillight. When these are together, when these are connected, you get what's called a sequential turn signal, which is like a loading bar, which is pretty sick. When they're disconnected, you get your more traditional flashing turn signal. Because this taillight is made so well, it's going to fit just like the factory one. Make sure your harness is through this hole and this tab is lined up correctly. Once you got that, you just place it right in. Next, we're going to reconnect the harnesses, putting the male factory harness in the female Hamilton harness. Some cheap companies sell harnesses that have pins and wires that come loose, creating faults. Ours are well made. Next, you're going to start tightening your bolts with your fingers. Getting the bottom and the top one a little tight. And you're going to use your ratchet to finish it off. When the bottom's done, repeat on the top. Finally, we're going to put the panel back in. Just make sure the clips are lined up and you pop the panel back in. Now that that side's done, grab your other taillight and repeat the process on the other side. I mean, look at these taillights. They look incredible and make a huge difference on this car. The kit we give you has everything in it. It's easy plug and play, zero splicing needed. If you want to talk to me or somebody on my team, give me a call at 919-858-2890 or check us out at hamiltonmotorcompany.com. See you later.